plan for the ripple, not the splash. I think one of the interesting things is we're in a culture that's interested in the splash. But in fact, most of us are in a place where we throw some stones and they're big ripples. And one of the most satisfying things in my life is the ripples. The things that you really didn't know you had any impact on, and people come up and say, oh, you helped me. You said something to me. You helped me choose a career. Those are the things that really, at the end of 43 years of teaching and 72 years of life, really make a difference. So I'm going to give you your test. First question is, who are you? What are the values? What do you want at the end to be able to say? What are the values that you're bringing to your life? Which satisfactions, if any, are you on the way to missing? Who's important to you, and are you helping them to succeed? Nothing wrong with money, but the riches of your life won't be measured by it. And the people you've helped are probably as important a measure of life as anything else. And then what's your time frame for action? The time for taking this test is the rest of your life. Otherwise known as today is the first day of the rest of your life.